Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off or reduce sensitive content on Instagram. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head over to your profile page. Once you're there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From this menu, go into Settings and then scroll down until you find the section called What You See. Here, tap on Content Preferences. Now tap on Sensitive Content. On the screen, you'll see different options that allow you to control how much sensitive content appears on your feed, Reels, Explore page, and even in comments. If you want to reduce or turn off sensitive content, simply select the Less option. This setting filters out most content that may be considered sensitive or uncomfortable. Once you tap on Less, Instagram automatically applies this change across your entire account. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off or reduce sensitive content on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.